Manufacturers have been making great strides in going green, and here we too believe in preserving the planet. We're doing a paper or plastic promotion to bring awareness to being green, conserving, saving energy, and recycling. So, you guys participated in the platinum promotion and you had great success with that, shipping your items for free. Well, during the paper or plastic or dollar bag promotion, all items that are shipped in envelopes on May 4th will be shipped for $1 no matter the weight. Just like Platinum Day, we have a start date and an end date. Those items will be shipped for $1 considering that they are shipped in an envelope, whether plastic or paper. So who will be the big winner in this promotion? For females who like to shop at Shein or Fashion Nova, these stores normally ship their items in large plastic envelopes. We've seen up to 8 to 10 pounds of clothing being shipped in 24 by 24 plastic envelopes. If you buy anything and it comes to us in a paper or plastic envelope, it will be shipped for $1 under the paper or plastic promotion. So just ensure that your items arrive at the warehouse between April 28th and May 3rd, which is the cutoff time to be shipped on May 4th to get your shipping cost at $1. And don't forget, it has to come in a plastic or paper envelope. Now a couple of got to. You must be a platinum member at the time of shipment, which means before the 28th, you must have your platinum membership. Just so you know, any promotion that we have now or in the future, you need to be a platinum member in order to benefit from the promotion. Sign up now and take advantage of our paper or plastic promotion.